Most people think tracing is only for performance monitoring. It's not. It's the thing quietly connecting your entire debugging picture. Even if you live in the errors tab, here's the pitch. Every event carries a trace ID, and that ID stitches your front end and your back end together. So instead of a lonely stack trace, you get the whole requests, what the users did, what your services did, and the exact span that broke. And you can reach that same trace from basically anywhere. From an error, one click to the connected trace. From a log line, same trace, same waterfall. From a session replay, watching a user rage click, jump straight to what the backend was doing at that exact moment. Even from a dashboard, open a widget in Explore, pick a span, you're in the waterfall. So errors, logs, replays, metrics, these are different doors that lead to the same room. Oh, and one more thing. That same connected context is gold for AI agents. A trace shows an agent the real path the request took, so it's not guessing or trying to reproduce your bug locally. And what's the best part? You're already paying for it. Tracing is included in your Sentry plan, so go turn it on. Your future self, mid-incident, will thank you.